Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Okay guys, I have an unboxing to do. This is from Joann's. I ordered this online, and believe it or not, this crazy yarn came in 7 packages. Can you believe that? 7 packages. I'm like, really, Joann's? But oh well, I have received it all, and I am going to show you what I found. Okay guys, this is my yarn haul from Joann's, and believe it or not, it took 7 packages to receive this. Crazy insane. But I want to show you what I did get. I bought some of this big twist. It says soft, and I don't know about you guys. I bought this because it has a lot of yardage. It was a really good price, and it said the word soft, but it doesn't feel soft to me. I like the big twist value. It's a lot softer feeling than this, but it's 320 yards, 100% acrylic, a medium 4 weight. It says big twist soft. Let's see what the color is. It says orange. Whoops. But this would be great for some of my winter projects, I think. Amigurumi type things. I think it'd be great for that. And then, of course, I got white. Let's see what other colors. This was, I believe, on their clearance. Light gray. But I'm telling you guys, it does not feel soft. See, charcoal. Gold. And cream. Now, I would have bought more of this, but they would only let me buy one of each, and that's it. So I wanted to stock up on that. I forgot what the price was, maybe $2.09 or something like that. I mean, it was really cheap. So of course I wanted it for wearables, maybe like some shawls or something, do something like that with. But since they're a little rough, I'm going to use these for amigurumi things. What they're going to go for. But yeah, I wish they would have let me buy more of those. Let's see what else we have. Now this here does feel soft. This is KC 100% cotton. These were on their clearance, and once again I wanted to what do you call it, stack up on these, but they only let me buy one of each. 100% cotton, 180 yards, KC knit and crochet premium yarn. This is product essential. It's 180 yards in here. This is product of Turkey, medium 4 weight. Okay, so this is bright blue, and this is blue and denim, and this one is lilac. This is really pretty. Lilac, variegated, I guess that's what the VAR is, because that's what that one said too. Okay, and then I did get me some 24/7 cotton. It came as a 3-pack, and it's a medium 4 weight. You know, I love this right here. Of course, Hobby Lobby yarn's a lot softer than this, but this cotton is, to me, real sturdy type cotton. And it's not real flimsy like, but it's not real stiff either. I don't know, I just really like this cotton. The color on this one is red, and so I got 3 of these. It's a medium 4 weight, 186 yards. It's more like a 3 weight to me. So I did get 3 of those. I think it was like $18 for 3. And then I got 3 of the blue here, and it's called denim. But it's Line Brands 24/7. Like I said, I really like this 24/7 yarn. All right, well, that's my Joann's yarn haul that came in 7 different packages. How hilarious is that? Okay, so this is the pattern from Bag O' Day that I was telling you about. It's the Japanese knot bag. And thank you, Crystal, for creating this pattern for us. This was so much fun to make. I love this cotton. I believe it's 153 yards. I used 3 skeins of this. This is how much I have left of the third one. And she said it would take about 450 yards. And so what I did is, since I knew that I was like 459 yards, I think, something like that. Anyway, I knew I'd be cutting it close. So what I did is I went ahead and made my straps first. So I would make sure I had those. And that way, the rest of the yarn I had left, I would just make these rows that it called for. So that's what I did, and so I just left a strand of yarn and then I attached them on. But this is the inside, is the solid part, or the plain, it doesn't have the texture on it. But this is it. It takes a J 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. This color is, isn't it just a beautiful color, guys? Look at that. I love these colors. From Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton. It's 100% cotton and the color is Harvest. And it should be a 4-weight. Yeah, it's a medium 4-weight. $3.79. I got it 30% off. You know, Hobby Lobby has their yarns every other week at 30% off. But I love this cotton. Where does it say the yardage? I think it was 153 yards. There it is, yeah, 153 yards. So, yeah, it just feels so good. Now, as you know, the way she showed you, I'm going to try and do this with one hand. Let me move these things. Now, as she showed us in the video, you take this right here and it loops through here, in case you haven't seen her video and you want to go make it. And then you've got this bag. But then you have your bag like this. Now, personally, I don't know what to do with it, but it's very pretty. I did put some yarn in it, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know what to do with it, but it's so pretty. But anyway, I'll figure something out though. Because I don't want this project to go to waste and just sit around and do nothing. So, but it is very nice. But if you want to make one, go over there and make one. The pattern is so easy. I made this in one day, guys. One day. If you want to see some other colors, Linda Crochet and More, she's actually made like 3 of these. And hers are beautiful. And I've seen several other podcasters make this. So yeah, it's from Bag O' Day. I will leave the link below in case you want to make one of these. And if you guys got any tips on like what to use it for, just leave it in the comment section. The reason I say I'm not sure what to use it for is because I don't know what to do with this strap. It's too short to go around my shoulder. I'm just not quite sure what to do with it. But it's a lovely pattern, and I absolutely love this. And yeah, I'd appreciate some tips and comments on what to do with it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.